Hello to everybody. Another package is arrived. I have almost 15 box to explore together, but this is the new one I received, and I'd like to open together. As you can see, it is very good, the packaging. I see the bubble here, and I don't know which one is referring to because I ordered a lot. This is a surprise. We open together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I continue in this way, I will never open, I'm sure. Now, I have to be very careful because last time to do in this way I broken the box. Some special effect. Very strong. So there is something, nothing. Maybe no, we cannot see anything. Fast. This is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. I don't know about the recording in this condition. I hope at least the audio is good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maybe I know. It's about water, okay? And this is very cool. Okay, this you know, microprose. Okay, let's move on. Special effect everywhere. Okay, I guess you already understood something. The light go up and down. What's it? Okay. Subwar 2015 from Micros, and it's also in good status. Okay, there is some problem here, but almost is okay. This is the box. The underwater combat simulator. There's some sound from my home. Okay, let's open it to see what is inside, because the box should be very rich of content. Wait, moving on. All right, floppy leather. That one was the card. I clearly remember. Take the blood. Training missions guide. The manual. That one are the content. Last time I didn't show the content. On the briefing. No, that's full screen display. Okay. One. Technical complement for IBM and PC compatibles. Copy protection. This is the Maritime Corporate Defense Journal. All the specification of the interesting. How many page? It's about 62 page. And this is the floppy, the hard matter. How many flops do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is no order on this one. Anyway, that is all the content, and make some picture before to post, and see you soon. Bye bye. I don't know if I will play, I hope so. Bye.